Ever feel like you have big dreams, but zero motivation? Like you want to do something amazing, but the couch, your phone, or Netflix always win? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but let's be real. Tomorrow never comes. Writing a book, getting in shape, or learning a new skill. But instead, you scroll, binge watch, and feel guilty about wasting time. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Here's the thing, you're not lazy. Your brain is just wired to avoid hard things. Big goals feel overwhelming, so your mind finds easier distractions. But here's the good news. You can fix this. Step 1. Shrink the task big. Goals are intimidating, so make them ridiculously small. Want to write a book? Forget about 200 pages, just write one sentence today. Want to get fit? Don't think about running 5 miles, just do one push-up. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't teleport to the top. You take one step, then another. Small wins add up. Over time, small efforts become massive progress. Step 2. Build. Simple routines. Willpower is unreliable. Some days you feel motivated. Most days you don't. The solution: set up routines that make success automatic. Want to work out? Put your gym clothes next to your bed. Want to eat healthier? Keep junk food out of sight. Tiny habits remove friction and make it easier to do what you need to do. So, what's one small routine you can start today? Maybe it's writing down your top 3 goals every morning. Maybe it's drinking a glass of water first thing. Whatever it is, make it easy and automatic. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Hardest part: getting started. That's where the 2-minute rule comes in. Want to read more? Just read 1 page. Want to clean your room? Just tidy 1 corner. Want to exercise? Just stretch for 2 minutes. Why? Because once you start, it's easier to keep going. It's like pushing a boulder. It takes effort at first, but then momentum kicks in. Bonus tip: reward yourself. Your brain loves rewards. So, after you complete a small task, celebrate. Play your favorite song, take a break, or just acknowledge, hey, I did that. Positive reinforcement keeps you motivated. Final thought: success isn't about perfection. It's about showing up free. Successful persons started small. They weren't perfect, but they kept going. Think of your dream like a fire. Right now, it's just a tiny spark. Every action you take is fuel. Keep adding fuel, and soon you'll have an unstoppable blaze. So, what will you do today? One small step is all it takes. Your dreams are waiting. Go make them happen. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Even the smallest effort, done regularly, can lead to massive change. But nothing happens unless you take action. So start now.